Welcome to the Top Best. The best snow blower is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone living in a snowy climate. Gas-powered, self-propelled, and two-stage snow blowers offer a powerful solution for clearing driveways and walkways. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and what to look for when choosing the perfect snow blower to tackle those winter storms. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ618E Electric Snow Blower. Introducing the Snow Joe SJ618E. This electric snow blower makes clearing snow easy. It's designed for efficient snow management on your driveways and walkways. This snow blower is powered by a 13-amp motor. It clears up to 580 pounds of snow per minute, offering gas-like performance. You won't have to deal with fuel or maintenance. The SJ618E features an 180-degree adjustable chute. This gives you full control over the snow direction. The deflector adjusts the snow throw height up to 20 feet. The two-blade cold-resistant rotor cuts an 18-inch wide by 8-inch deep path. It clears snow quickly without damaging surfaces. This makes it perfect for decks or pavements. With compact all-terrain wheels, it ensures easy movement and control. You can navigate mid-sized areas smoothly and efficiently. This snow blower is designed for your convenience. What we like. This electric snow blower boasts an 18-inch clearing path, making it perfect for tackling driveways and walkways. Its powerful 13-amp motor delivers impressive snow clearing performance. The adjustable chute gives you full control over snow direction. If you have a smaller area to clear and value ease of use, this is a great choice. What people say. This easily handled that snowfall. The blower has a 12 inches tall opening by 21 inches wide. It is designed to take on no more than 1 foot at a time, however it's pretty slow doing that even with fluffy snow. Number 4. Snow Joe SJ627E22 Electric Snow Blower. This snow blower boasts a powerful 15-amp motor, providing performance similar to gas models. It clears up to 840 pounds of snow per minute, all without the noise or fumes. With a 22-inch clearing path and a 13-inch intake depth, this machine makes quick work of light to moderate snowfalls. It's ideal for driveways and walkways. The adjustable chute rotates 180 degrees, allowing you to control exactly where the snow is discharged. It can throw snow up to 25 feet away. The heavy-duty steel auger features rubber-tipped blades, ensuring ground-level clearing without damaging surfaces. It's built for durability, even in icy conditions. Dual LED headlights illuminate your path for early morning or evening snow removal. Compact wheels provide easy maneuverability in tight spaces, making it easy to use. What we like. Featuring a 22-inch clearing path and a robust 15-amp motor, this snow blower is designed for high-capacity snow removal. The dual LED headlights ensure visibility during early mornings or evenings. With its durable build and directional snow control, it's perfect for those who need to clear large driveways efficiently. If you are looking for a powerful machine to handle moderate to heavy snowfalls, this is the one. What people say. This easily handled that snowfall. The blower has a 12 inches tall opening by 21 inches wide. The controls at the operator position are very simple. You have the safety start button, the start bar, the LED headlight, and the chute direction control. Number 3. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This kit includes everything you need for snow removal. It comes with a cordless snow shovel, a protective cover, an ice scraper, a battery, and a charger. The shovel is powered by a 400W motor. This allows it to move a lot of snow quickly and efficiently on a single charge. You can easily clear snow from various surfaces without cords. The cordless design gives you maximum maneuverability, making the job easier. It cuts a 13-inch wide path in a single pass. This feature allows for quick and thorough snow removal with minimal effort. The shovel uses a 24V battery, providing up to 22 minutes of runtime. The battery is rechargeable, ensuring uninterrupted snow clearing. What we like. This cordless snow shovel offers ultimate convenience with its hassle-free design and complete kit. It cuts a 13-inch wide path, perfect for decks, patios, and sidewalks. The included battery provides up to 22 minutes of runtime. If you like the freedom of cordless operation and need to clear smaller areas like decks and walkways, this is ideal for you. What people say. Amazing machine. I had 4 of wet snow, and my larger snow joke kept bogging down. This one cleared it with little problem. It works great with light snow. Number 2. Ego SN240524 Cordless Snow Blower Kit. This snowblower utilizes peak power technology, combining the power of 2 EGO arc lithium batteries. It effortlessly clears heavy, wet snow, throwing it up to 50 feet away. The 24-inch clearing width and 20-inch intake height allows it to handle deep snow. The variable speed steel auger efficiently breaks up heavy snow and ice, and the directional chute control sends it where you need it. On a single charge with the 2 included 7.5Ah arc lithium batteries, it can clear up to an 18-car driveway with 8 inches of snow. It is compatible with all EGO 56V arc lithium batteries. This snowblower features variable speed self-propel with forward and reverse directions. The handle-mounted control dashboard makes operation easy. Forget priming or pull cords, this snowblower offers a push-button start. For bright LEDs increase visibility for nighttime snow removal, making the process simple. What we like. This snowblower features a self-propelled design, making snow removal effortless. It boasts a 24-inch clearing width and can throw snow up to an impressive 50 feet. With the included batteries, it can clear up to an 18-car driveway on a single charge. If you are looking for a powerful and efficient cordless option for larger areas, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This snowblower is ridiculously powerful, quiet, lightweight, easy to maneuver and very much worth it. I cleared the driveway and cut a double-wide path around the house. Finished my entire 100-foot driveway along with my adjacent sidewalk and both neighbors' sidewalks all in about 17 minutes, definitely worth the investment. Number 1. PowerSmart 24-inch gas snowblower. This 2-stage snowblower boasts a 24-inch clearing width, capable of handling snow up to 12 inches deep. It can throw snow up to 45 feet away, with a capacity of up to 2,400 pounds per minute, perfect for heavy, wet snow. Equipped with a robust 212 cubic centimeters 4-cycle OHV gas engine, this machine is built for heavy-duty snow removal. It's ideal for tackling large driveways and sidewalks with ease. The reinforced steel housing and frame ensure durability and ruggedness. This snowblower is designed to withstand years of tough jobs, providing reliable performance season after season. Featuring a self-propelled system with 6 forward and 2 reverse speeds, this snowblower offers effortless maneuverability. You can easily navigate and control it in various snow conditions. With a 120-volt electric starting system, you can skip the pull starts. A simple push of a button gets you started quickly and efficiently. The serrated steel auger efficiently cuts through snow and ice, minimizing clogging. This feature ensures fast and effective snow removal. The remote chute rotation handle and deflector control lever make it easy to direct the snow exactly where you want it. This allows for convenient operation while you're working. What we like. This gas-powered snowblower is equipped with a powerful 212 cubic centimeters engine and a 24-inch clearing width, making it ideal for heavy-duty snow removal. The electric start allows for quick and easy operation. The self-propelled system and multiple speed options provide effortless maneuverability. If you need a reliable machine for large driveways and tough snow conditions, this is a great option. What people say. The multi-speeds and ability to control the chute is outstanding. Upon firing it up for the first time, it fired right up and ran perfectly as expected. Assembly went very smoothly, and I added the oil and fuel, and set the choke and used the recoil pull start. It fired up very quickly and I let it run for 15 minutes to warm it up and circulate the oil. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.